Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Anson here over at Ivey Forge. Alright, so today we're going to be doing a little bit of an unboxing, and then I'm also going to talk about something coming up. Alright, so as you see, I've already opened this up, but I couldn't wait. This is from Benchmark Abrasives. I believe I've also seen them show up as Superior Abrasives. They actually had a free mix giveaway going on their Instagram. I did send it out to a few people. If you got a chance to see that, great deal, right? You got it was 10 different flat disc wheels. All you paid was shipping and handling. For me, it was $10, and I got some awesome wheels. All right, and they gave me permission to do the shout out. It was awesome. Great working with you. All right, so let's go ahead and get this open. All right, we got a letter. All right, so all right, Benchmark Abrasives. All right, it says, Anson, I've thrown a free belt in your mix pack. This is a 40 grit ceramic belt for you to try out when you get your grinder up and running. Merry Christmas. Regards, Jack Vogel. All right, appreciate you, Jack. Right from the bottom of my heart. I did tell Jack that I was building my 2x72, and for Christmas he sent me a free belt to be able to get it trued up and lined up and all that good stuff. All right, I also got some stickers and stuff, which I'll get to in a second. All right, so there we go. There's the 2x72 belt. And if you look at it, and I was looking at this a little bit earlier, right? The seams are nice, glued together nice. Doesn't feel like it's really lumpy. You know, all I really have to compare is my 1x30 belt sander. But these this belt sander, or these belts, seem to be made a little bit better than my 1x30. And then there we go. All right, so moving on, I wanted to talk a little bit too about this past year, right? This past year has actually had a lot of ups and downs, a lot of things going on. Everyone knows, and if you don't know, if you're new to my channel, I am almost a 20-year Navy veteran. I'm about to retire, and it's humbling. This is what I want to do full time. So I'm able to get more time to do this, but I'm still going to have to go work to help pay for bills and as such until I can get more income coming in from doing the blacksmithing. All right. So appreciate it to all y'all. I want to go ahead and throw in, this is my 2018 year in review. Let's go check it out. It's still rather cold. I'm just layered up. So, a couple things. I ended up going out. I got a new anvil yesterday. Alright, so here's the 32 ounce ball peen hammer that's going to become the hammer eye punch. So right now I'm just going through getting rid of the paint and also heating it up just to soften it back down. If you're doing it for the first time, welcome. All right. So today we're going to be working on my shop. You can see it in the back. This is just it's a temporary shop since I am in a rental home. The project that I'm going to be working on this weekend is going to be my charcoal forge. The only reason I'm really doing this is because I want to try to, have only the air coming in from here, and as it's going out, it's coming out here. So this is I'm just trying to see if it's going to minimize maybe some of the sounds. All right, so there we go, folks. The blower taken apart, lubricated. I got it fixed up a little bit, got some of that seam sealed up. Alright, so as she's over here still cranking up, stoking the fire. Alright, we're going to go ahead and call this one quits. And her and I are going to do a little bit of daddy daughter time, and we're going to make some stuff, alright? Off camera. So as you saw, I just posted a picture of the catastrophic failure that I had with my ribbon burner. Yeah, the whole bottom of it just fell out. Alright, so there we go. I didn't really get a whole lot done, but like I said, I was doing the best I could. I feel that I've advanced a lot in this craft. Looking back, going through, and I'm only going to get better from here, guys. Alright, if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'll throw up a few links throughout the video. If you didn't click on them, please go back, check them out, and hit that little bell button, and you'll get notifications of any of my next videos coming up. Alright? Catch you on next one.